Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Graph API for Calendar Sync, complete guide step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have an active Azure account. Log into the Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Active Directory section. Select App Registrations from the menu on the left. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Provide a name for your application. Select the appropriate account type for your organization. For the redirect URI, enter the URL where your application will handle responses. Click on Register to complete the application setup. After registration, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, select Certificates and Secrets from the menu. Click on New Client Secret to create a secret for your application. Provide a description and select an expiration period. Once created, copy the client's secret value and store it securely. Now, go to API Permissions in the left menu. Click on Add a Permission. Select Microsoft Graph for the API. Choose Delegated Permissions or Application Permissions based on your needs. Search for the permission calendars.readwrite. Select it and click Add Permissions. Click on Grant Admin Consent for your organization to approve permissions. Next, open a code editor to start writing your application. Install the necessary libraries for Microsoft Graph API. For JavaScript, you can use the Microsoft Graph SDK. Initialize the SDK with your client ID and secret. Authenticate your application using the OAuth 2.0 authorization code flow. Request the necessary scopes for calendar access. Create an instance of the Graph client. Test the connection by retrieving calendar events. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.